Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, April 5th. Hope you guys had a great week and that you had a lovely Easter last weekend. If you celebrated, everything was so much fun here. My sister and her family came, except for her oldest daughter who is at college, and a family friend came as well. So we had so much fun. We went shopping. I'll show you a couple things I bought. And yeah, we just, had fun being together and eating and drinking and just all the fun stuff. So it was very good. I have a few things to share with you this week, not too much, but let's get started with a few things that were given to me. First, I got this beautiful card in the mail from Susie, who is Susie Emery, and she's been a longtime viewer and supporter of my channel. Thank you so much, Susie, for this beautiful Easter card. Look at how cute this is. I just love this Easter basket with all of the details in it. This isn't a KS Craft one, is it, Susie? Because I don't recognize the texture on the basket, but I love it. Look at that die. It makes it plaid. And there are all the Easter eggs in it, that cute chocolate bunny that's paper pieced, and all the different elements you put into the basket, the eggs that are all different colors, and the tulips, and this must have taken so much time to make, and the bow on it. So I just love it. And this cute grass border die here, and then a little bunny with the gem eye or a diamond dot, and then grass and a little sign that says follow the bunny, he is the chocolate. I love the sky and the grass and how you used the scallop die for everything. This is just really, really cute. I love it. And the inside, she just wrote me a sweet little note. Thank you, Susie. I love it. And I hope you had a happy Easter. And look at Susie's stamp on the back. I don't think Susie has a YouTube channel, but she is definitely a big supporter of me and other crafters, and I really appreciate it. And you are a beautiful crafter. Oh my goodness, this is just lovely. So thank you so much, Susie. So I'll just leave that here. And then when my sister came, she gave me a basket full of goodies. So I wanted to share with you a few things that she gave to me. She and I are so similar in taste, and she knows what I like. I know what she likes because we like the same things. So she got me this mug, and I had seen this at Target, and I thought it was so pretty. It's double-sided. This is in the threshold section, and it's just so pretty. It's blue on the inside. I love it. And I remember seeing it with my daughter, and I thought it was gorgeous, and she gave it to me. So nice. And then she got me this, oops, top is coming off, this soap from HomeGoods. And I had seen this in like different fruit varieties, but I didn't see the strawberry one. So isn't that so cute? It looks like a little, plant pot. So this will be adorable in my powder room or in the kitchen. I love foaming hand wash. So she gave me that. And then she gave me these really cute Martha Stewart strawberry napkins. And they have little flowers on them too. I love that they have scallop trim on them. So adorable. And then she gave me these mushroom bag clips. Aren't those so cute? Mushrooms are so hot right now. And I love these with the little floral decorations on the stems of all of them. I just love them. My husband wonders why I have so many bag clips. And if there are cute ones, I'll buy them. And my sister buys them for me too. So, and they break after a while too. You can use them in your craft room or in your kitchen, whatever. And then she gave me this towel and trivet set, which I do have, but it's nice to have two of them. So it says, "You're my jam." And the trivets, I like to use these to get jar tops off if you're having a hard time doing that. And you could also use them for like a glue gun mat. And it's just really cute. So glad to have another set of those. And then she said she got this from Temu. This is a tote bag that says Strawberry Festival, a very good time. And I just love it. I love tote bags, bring them to the store. After a while, your bags get gross and you need a new one. So this is so nice. It'll be perfect for summer to go to like the farmer's market and stuff. So thank you so much, Kathleen. And then everything came in this basket too, which is beautiful. And I forget where she said she got this, But she also gave me some PJs, which I left upstairs, and jelly beans and some other things. But these I thought you guys would be interested in seeing. So thank you, Kathleen. And of course, Steve, her husband. She picked these things out, but everything was from him too, and their daughters. So thank you, guys. I'll just leave this over here as well. Okay, so let's get into the stuff that I purchased. I went to Dollar Tree because I wanted to get these mini glass containers, and it comes with 5. I just have 2 left. There's a new die set from Scrap Diva Designs. It's called the mini vial gift box, I think, something like that. But it makes a little gift box that you could put 3 of these little glass containers in. They fit perfectly. You can use the larger ones too. You just have to cut out space for them on the top of the box, and I'll show you that when I do a project share video. So anyway, yeah, these fit perfectly in that die set. So I got those. And then while I was there, I picked these up, these nail clippers. I thought these would be good to, hopefully, to make, long fake nails shorter. So we'll see how that goes. They came in all different colors, but I got this like aqua color, of course. It says cut straight, round, or well shapes. So I guess, I don't know, we'll figure out how to do that. Hopefully it doesn't break. And I got this too. This is a gel polish remover tool. So if you ever do gel polish, you can, after you soak your nails, you could just use this to just kind of like scrape the polish off. So I got that. I'm going to be doing another collab with Nail Reserve, so I figured I would get that. And that was it from Dollar Tree. I did get a book too. I left that upstairs as well. I like to get books from there sometimes. Sometimes they have good ones. And, for $1.25, which they still are, it's definitely worth it. So that's what I got from Dollar Tree. Target I went to this morning. I went down the paper aisle. I haven't been down there in a while. They have this collection of Astro Bright papers, and that's where it's either there or Walmart that I get my Astro Bright paper, and I usually get the white one, which comes in 65 pound and 110 pound. So, but then they have different assortments as well. I don't think I've ever seen this assortment before. This one's called Breezy Boho. Yeah, I don't think so. And I looked in my paper stash when I came home, and I didn't see that I had that. So I picked it up, and this one comes with, let's see, it's 65 pound paper, and it comes with these colors: Craft, Punchy Peach, Milky Way, Bare Blush, Lavender Love, Blue Sky, Fern Leaf, and Pebble Gray. Let's open this and we'll take a look at it. Just grab my little scissors to open a little slit here. So in case, I don't know if it's new or what. Maybe there's a year on it actually, 2023. So I guess it's kind of new. So actually, I'll just take the whole thing out. Why not, right? I'll put it in my paper organizer. So the craft is it's definitely like a craft. You could see, well, hopefully you could see there's got some like texture in it. You could see like little fibers, and it's nice and thick there. 65 pound paper is good. And then this is the peach one. Punchy Peach. And then there's, let's see. And so, okay, so there are 56 papers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's that, 7 of each? This is Milky Way, which is just like a really pretty cream color. And then we have this one, which is, what's it called? Bare Blush. Very pretty pink color. It's not textured, but it's a nice weight. And you can print on these too, which is really nice. And then the next one is Lavender Love. Very pretty lavender. And then we have Blue Sky. Just a nice soft blue. And then the next one is Fern Leaf. So that, I thought this was going to be more like jade green. I guess it is kind of a jade green color, actually. Leaning more towards grass green. And then the last one is Pebble Gray. So it's always nice to have gray in your stash. So yeah, and this was, it was $6.99 for all of these papers, which I don't think is a bad deal at all, especially for paper this quality that you can print on. And I just love die cutting with Astro Bright paper. So again, that was from Target. Okay, and then that's all I got from Target, crafty wise. I went to HomeGoods, of course. I went there today, and I went over the weekend with my sister and our friends and my niece and brother-in-law. So today I got these towels. These are the World Traveler collection, and they have this, HomeGoods has this new collection, World Traveler. They have like ceramic pieces and textiles. So I just thought this was gorgeous, the strawberry print, and it comes with the one strawberry and then this one in the back, which isn't my favorite, but I just love the strawberry one. And this was $9.99 for the two of them. And these are nice big towels. I don't know if they're supposed to be bath towels or kitchen, but you know I like to use those. Oh, it says kitchen, okay. I like to use those interchangeably. So, but this I think I'll probably use in the kitchen because it's, you know, it's food related and there is only one of each. So I could have bought two, but I wasn't going to spend $20. So I got that, and then over the weekend with my sister, I got this tissue paper there, and of course you could see why, because of the strawberries, and this was $3.99 for 50 sheets, so it comes with the strawberry one, red, gold stripe, this pretty floral, gold dots, and I think that's it. So yeah, I like these because they're nice and big when they have these packs, so it's 20 by 20. And, you know, use these in gifts and packaging and stuff. So I got that. And then what else did I get over the weekend there? Oh, I got sneakers. Kathleen, my sister, and I got matching sneakers. So I didn't bring those down, obviously, not crafty related. And what else did I? Oh, I got some hair stuff. So anyway, yeah, it's not crafty, but I thought you might like to see it. Walmart has Easter clearance. When I went, it was 50% off. I don't know if it's more now or what, but I did get a roll of the cello wrap, and this was 98 cents, so it was 49 cents, I guess. And this, they don't give you much for this. This will wrap like one basket, but for 50 cents, I thought that would be fine. And then I got these treat bags. I thought they were adorable, so I'll have these on hand for next year just to send happy mail or, you know, put cookies in like they say. I probably won't do that, but you could. And these are just adorable. It comes with 20. And I think that was it from Walmart. Yeah, I went to Hobby Lobby. I was looking for those sun cabochons, but of course they were sold out. I did order some from Temu in the meantime, but I did get some other cabochons. I got these from Bead Design Company. They were 50% off or 40. Oh, now I can't remember. I think 50, right? I don't know. But anyway, the original price was $3.99 for 14 pieces. I took a couple of them out so you could see what they look like. Cute little clouds and rainbows that have hearts in the clouds, so I assume there's 7 of each. And I think I ordered clouds from Temu too, actually, but I just got these. I thought they were so cute. So if I couldn't get the sun, I got the clouds and the rainbows. And then I got these two. These are, whoops, something stuck to it. Okay, these, I think I've seen these before. There are 60 pieces in here. They're kind of like these really pretty, like opalescent stars and moons. And I haven't opened these yet, so let's do that. Let's see. Yeah, these are from 2016, but I don't have these. And I thought they would be fun because they're kind of small. You could add these to shakers or just like, you know, centers of bows. So I've been into cabochons lately. I don't know, maybe because I'm watching all the Temu hauls, you know. All right, please don't fly all over the place. Let me just get a few out. Oops. Okay, so these are the moons, and aren't they pretty? Sorry, they're kind of stuck to me. Yeah, they have like a really like opalescent glow to them, and the stars are really pretty as well. So they come in different colors, but they're all kind of like translucent. They look like they light up, don't they? Oh, I just love them. Very, very pretty. So I was in like a sky kind of mood. So there's some white and yellow and pink and green, as well as those blues and purples. So yeah, I like those. And my Temu order, I don't know what's going on with the regional post office around here. I think I mentioned it before. Things from Temu land there, and it takes like 2 or 3 days for them to get to me, which it used to take like overnight. So I don't know what is happening. It was supposed to be here yesterday, didn't come. Supposed to be here today, still didn't come. So hopefully tomorrow, and I'll be able to share with you what I got. next time. I actually have 2 Temu orders, and let's see, what else? Yes, I ordered from Etsy too, from one of my favorite like cabochon stores. So yeah, like I said, I've got like cabochon beaver. And I got, hopefully you saw my video, the Scrap Diva Designs April release. I got my order and I've been working on some projects. So many cute dies. And what's so great about a lot of these in this release, they're aqua colored dies and really pretty packaging. I've been testing them out. They work great. They're really nice and sturdy dies. So hopefully you guys have gotten a chance to order some if you can. And thank you to everybody who uses my discount code and my link. Man, that really does help me. And I appreciate it so, so much. So thank you for that. Let's see, what else? So yeah, so I'll have a video soon for Scrap Diva Designs. I'm working on my second project. I, like to share at least 2 or 3 projects in a video, so that'll be coming up soon. And I guess that's all I have to share with you now. Oh, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Miss Kate's Cuttables too, which I love her stuff, and she approached me to do a collab, so that'll be coming up soon. And like I said, I'm doing another nail collab, and I think something else too. So it's really fun and exciting. Oh, my Chaos Craft order is coming too. I'm guest designing for Hannah, so lots of busy stuff, and it's all good and fun, and just having such a good time. Feel so blessed that I can spend time on crafting and sharing with you guys, and you guys sharing with me. So thanks again for everybody and your support of my channel. I can't say it enough, so thank you. All right, that is it for today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back soon. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Leave me a comment. Please like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, yes, have a great day, like I said. Bye, everyone.